qui se démarque de plus en plus dans cette compétition?
First of all, I have to tell you that I'm really not satisfied with the decision that we can't have a pre-match training in the stadium where the game takes place. I think this is a FIFA rule, that every team has the right to have a preliminary training before the game of 60 minutes in the stadium where you play, where the match takes place. I don't understand. Yeah, I understand it because there is another game. But this is bad when people who make the rules don't follow the rules. Will that have an influence on the game? I don't know. But I know if tomorrow after the game I'm not on the press conference that there will be a sanction. So we have to follow the rules. Where are the rules now? And you will tell me, yes, that's for both teams. I don't think so. I think Benin has already trained in that stadium because they were sooner here than we are. So it's all nice to say, follow the rules, follow this. We have to follow everything. But we have the right to train today in the stadium where the match takes place. And we can't. And this is not honest and this is not correct.
En résumé, la relève froide de Hugo Bros.
You traduis. So I think we are ready for the game of tomorrow. We played a good game last Friday against Lesotho, a very difficult game. And we know also that tomorrow it will be a difficult game again. Benin is a good team. They played only a draw Friday, so they are 2 points behind us. But you know, qualification for World Cup of AFCON in Africa are very, very difficult. You never can tell before a game you will win it. You have to fight for every meter, every ball, every point you need. So today it will not be different. We will play against a good team. We know that. But at the other side, we are confident in ourselves. I think when you saw the progression of South Africa in the last year, I think it's enormous. So we are confident, and we think we can make a good result tomorrow, and we will try to win that game. Because as I said before, this play day can be a key day. Imagine that we win tomorrow. Benin is at 5 points already. Nigeria is already at 4 points. And we will see what happens in the other games. So it can be a key day. So we will do everything to win that game tomorrow. But we know also that it will be very difficult.
Donc, en somme,